Hi, yoga friends! Before we jump into today's exciting yoga practice, don't forget to hit the like button and click subscribe so you can be part of all our yoga journeys. We've prepared lots of fun poses and games just for you. Ready? Let's begin! Get your mat ready. Let's begin our yoga adventure. Sit comfortably, cross your legs, place your hands on your knees. Take a deep breath. This is easy pose. Well done! Easy pose helps us feel calm and ready. Step your feet apart, reach one arm down and the other up. Stretch to the side like a triangle. Excellent! Triangle pose makes our body open and strong. Sit with legs straight, bend forward, and reach toward your toes. Great work! You stretch long in seated forward bend. Sit with the soles of your feet together. Let your knees fall to the sides like butterfly wings. Well done! Bound angle pose opens the hips and feels nice. Lie on your tummy, place hands on the shoulders, and lift your chest up like a cobra. Great! Cobra pose makes your back strong and open. Lie on your tummy, place your forearms on the mat, and lift your chest gently. Wonderful! Sphinx pose is gentle and helps us relax the back. Kneel on the mat, place your hands on your hips, and gently lean back like a camel. Well done! Camel pose opens the chest and makes us brave. Come on to your hands and toes. Keep your body straight like a plank. Great job! Plank pose makes us strong and steady. From plank, turn to one side, balancing on one hand and foot. Lift your other arm up. Awesome! Side plank makes your arms and core strong. Lie on your back, grab your feet with your hands, and rock gently like a happy baby. Wonderful! Happy baby makes us smile and relax. Lie down, bend your knees, and let them fall gently to one side while arms open wide. Great work! Supine twist helps the back feel relaxed. On hands and knees, round your back like a cat. Now lift your chest like a cow. Let's move gently. Awesome! Cat-cow warms up the spine and makes us feel flexible. Lie flat on your back. Arms by your sides, eyes closed. Be still like a sleeping star. Excellent! Corpse pose helps us rest fully and end our yoga practice. Great job, yoga friends! You did amazing today! Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe so you won't miss our next yoga adventure. Share this with your friends so they can join the fun too. Take a deep breath, smile, and I'll see you in the next session. Bye-bye!